The phone that I have here with me costs over a lakh, rupees 1,04,999 to be precise. It has 5G support, 108 megapixel triple camera setup, and it comes with 256 GB of internal storage. If you still haven't figured out which phone this is, we'll let you know in a few minutes. But before that, do hit the subscribe button so you can stay updated on all the latest tech news. Okay, now let's unbox this very expensive phone. In case you've missed it again, this is the Note 20 Ultra 5G. So the first thing that's catching my eye is that huge camera bump. Anyway, before we get into that, let's keep the phone aside and see what else is inside the box. So this is the charging brick of the Note 20 Ultra. Now it has a Type-C port and it delivers 25 watt fast charging speed. This here is the charging cable. It's a Type-C to Type-C cable. Now what we have here are AKG powered earphones, which is also a Type-C pair of earphones because the Note 20 Ultra does not have a headphone jack. And Samsung also gives you 2 more pairs of ear tips of different sizes that you can use. Okay, so this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and the color that we have here is Mystic Bronze, which is like Samsung's signature color for all its new devices. Let's also remove these stickers so we have a better look at the phone. Like I've mentioned before, this is the Mystic Bronze color, but honestly it looks like rose gold, which I personally don't mind at all. Now over here on the right side you have the power button and the volume rocker. Then on top you have the SIM tray. Now going down at the bottom is where you find the Type-C port, the speaker grill, and of course it's also where the S Pen is tucked in. Now I'm not sure if you can figure out from the video, but the display looks amazing and it has 120 Hz refresh rate, which is, well, the cherry on top. On the Note 20 Ultra you get a 6.9-inch AMOLED display, and you also have the latest Corning Gorilla Glass VICTUS layer on top. Now like I've mentioned in the beginning of the video, the camera bump on the Note 20 Ultra is really huge and it really stands out on the phone. Now the 108 megapixel primary sensor is one of the highlights of the Note 20 Ultra, and it also comes with space zoom, but it's only up to 50x and not 100x like you get on the S20 Ultra. So the Note 20 Ultra is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, but that's only for select markets like the US. In India, the phone ships with the Exynos 990 chipset, which is also on the Galaxy S20 series. In this variant of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, you get 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, and it runs One UI 2.5, which is based on Android 10. So this was Samsung's most powerful phone so far. To recap some of its specs, you get a triple camera setup with a 108 megapixel primary sensor. There's a 120 Hz display and you have a 4500 mAh battery. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra seems like a very ambitious offering from Samsung. We'll know more about its performance later in our detailed review. Till then, stay tuned, do hit the subscribe button and stay safe everyone.